Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day. Don't forget, grab your smartphone and download the Lava Matra app and stay in touch. Guru Maharaj's message is your advantage. The following is a Sri Krishna Chaitanya book compilation given by His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj on May 27th, 2021 in Sri Mayapur, India.
Pangum langayate girim yat kripa tamaham vande Shri Gurum Dinatarinam Paramananda Madhavam Sri Chaitanya Ishwaram. Continuation of the compilation of Sri Krishna Chaitanya book. Chapter entitled Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu instructs Nityananda Prabhu to stay in Bengal and fulfill his mission. Under the section, the Lord's attempt to go to Vrindavan. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 16.38.
গৌরীয় ভক্তগণের 18 নালায় আগমন সংবাদ শ্রবণে ভক্ত অভ্যর্থনা অর্থ প্রভুর গোবিন্দ হস্তে মালা প্রেরণ। 18 নালাকে আইলা গোসাই শুনিয়া 2 মালা পাঠাইলা গোবিন্দ হস্ত দিয়া।
When they all arrived at a bridge called Athara Nala, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, hearing the news of their arrival, sent 2 garlands with Govinda. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 16.39.
নিতাই ও অদ্বৈতের মালা পরিধান। 2 মালা গোবিন্দা 2 জনে পরাইল অদ্বৈত অবধূত গোসাই বড় সুখ পাইল।
Govinda offered the 2 garlands to Advaita Acharya and Nityananda Prabhu, and they both became very happy. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 16.40.
তথা হইতেই সকলের গমন মুখে নিত্য কীর্তন আরম্ভ। তাহাই আরম্ভ কইল কৃষ্ণ সংকীর্তন নাচিতে নাচিতে চলি আইলা 2 জন।
Indeed, they began chanting the holy name of Krishna on that very spot. And in this way, dancing and dancing, Advaita Acharya and Nityananda Prabhu reached Jagannath Puri.
So, Advaita Acharya, Nityananda Prabhu are 2 Vishnu Tattvas.
So, Advaita Acharya and Nityananda Prabhu are 2 Vishnu Tattvas.
So they were sent to garlands and received at the Atharnala bridge.
And they were sent the garlands and were received at the Atharnala bridge.
They began chanting Kirtan
So they began chanting Kirtan
and entered Jagannath Puri.
and entered Jagannath Puri. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 16.41.
স্বরূপ আদি দ্বারে প্রভুর পুনঃ মালা প্রেরণ। পুনঃ মালা দিয়া স্বরূপ আদি নিজ গণে আগুবাড়ি পাঠাইল সচির নন্দনে।
Then for the second time, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sent garlands through Swarup Damodar and other personal associates. Thus they went forward, sent by the son of Mother Sachi. Charitamrita Madhya Leela 16.42.
নরেন্দ্র সরোবরে মিলিয়া সকলকে মালা প্রদান। নরেন্দ্র আসিয়া তাহা সবারে মিলিলা মহাপ্রভুর দত্ত মালা সবারে পরাইলা।
When the devotees from Bengal reached Lake Narendra, Swarup Damodar and the others met them and offered them the garlands given by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
So the Narendra Sarovar,
So the Narendra Sarovar,
where Lord Jagannath does his boat festival,
is where Jagannath does his boat festival
and the Chandan Yatra,
during the Chandan Yatra.
and this is a very special place.
And it is a very special place.
So that Shadana and other associates met the devotees,
So there, Swarup Damodar and the other associates
gave all the devotees special prasadam garlands,
met the devotees and gave all the devotees special prasadam and garlands
sent by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
sent by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela 16.43.
স্বয়ং সিংহদ্বারে আসিয়া সর্বভক্ত সহ প্রভুর মিলন। সিংহদ্বারে নিকটে আইলা শুনি গৌর রায়, আপনে আসিয়া প্রভু মিলিলা সবাই।
When the devotees finally reached the lion gate, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu heard the news and personally went to meet them.
The Lion Gate is the main entrance to the Jagannath Puri temple.
The lion gate is the main entrance to the Jagannath Puri temple.
And Lord Chaitanya personally went to receive all the devotees.
And Lord Chaitanya went to receive all the devotees.
The devotees would be very pleased to see the Lord,
So the devotees would be very pleased to see the Lord,
and the Lord was pleased to greet his devotees.
and the Lord was pleased to greet his devotees. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 16.44.
জগন্নাথ দর্শন অন্তে সর্বভক্ত সহ গৃহে গমন। সভা লইয়া কইল জগন্নাথ দর্শন, সভা লইয়া আইলা পুনঃ আপন ভবন।
Then Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his devotees visited Lord Jagannath. Finally, accompanied by them all, he returned to his own residence. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 16.45.
সকলকে বাণীনাথ ও কাশীমিশ্র আনিত প্রসাদ প্রদান। বাণীনাথ কাশীমিশ্র প্রসাদ আনিল, সহস্তে সবারে প্রভু প্রসাদ খাওয়াইল।
Vaninath Rai and Kashi Mishra then brought a large quantity of prasadam, and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu distributed it with his own hand and fed them all.
I can see how personal is Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
We can see how personal is Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
He distributed prasadam, Lord Jagannath prasadam, personally to all the devotees.
He distributed the prasadam, Lord Jagannath prasadam, personally to all the devotees. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 16.46.
প্রত্যেককে পূর্ববর্ষের অধ্যুষিত বাসস্থানাদি প্রদান। পূর্ব বৎসরে যার যেই বাসস্থান, তাহা সবা পাঠাইয়া করাইল বিশ্রাম।
In the previous year, everyone had his own particular residence, and the same residences were again offered. Thus they all went to take rest. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 16.47.
ভক্তগণের প্রভুসহ পুরীতে 4 মাস অবস্থান। এই মত ভক্তগণ রহিলা 4 মাস, প্রভুর সহিত করে কীর্তন বিলাস।
For 4 continuous months, all the devotees remained there and enjoyed chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra with Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
The Jagannath Rath Yatra ends just before the 4 months of the rainy season.
The Jagannath Rath Yatra ends just before the 4 months of the rainy season.
And during the rainy season, they all remained in Jagannath Puri
So till the rainy season, they all remain in Jagannath Puri
and chanted Hare Krishna Sankirtan with Lord Chaitanya.
and they chanted Hare Krishna Sankirtan with Lord Chaitanya. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 16.48.
রথযাত্রা কালে সকলের গুন্ডিচা মার্জন পূর্ববৎ রথযাত্রা কাল যবে আইল সবালাইয়া গুন্ডিচা মন্দির প্রক্ষালিল.
As in the previous year, they all washed the Gundicha temple when the time for Rath Yatra arrived. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 16.49.
সত্যরাজ আদির জগন্নাথকে প্রভুর আদিষ্ট পট্টডুরি প্রদান কুলীন গ্রামী পট্টডুরি জগন্নাথে দিল পূর্ববৎ রথ অগ্রে নর্তন করিল.
The inhabitants of Kulinagram delivered silken ropes to Lord Jagannath, and as previously, they all danced before the Lord's car. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 16.50.
রথ অগ্রে নর্তনন্তে সকলে উপবনে বিশ্রাম বহু নৃত্য করি পুনঃ চলিল উদ্যানে বাপি তীরে তাহা যাই করিল বিশ্রামে.
After dancing a great deal, they all went to a nearby garden and took rest beside a lake.
So they were following the same system as the previous year,
So they were following the same system as the previous year,
chanting and dancing before Lord Jagannath,
chanting and dancing before Lord Jagannath,
resting in the gardens by the side,
resting by the gardens by the side.
and this way they repeated this similar activities as the previous year.
In this way, they repeated the similar activities of the previous year. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 16.51.
রারীয় বিপ্র কৃষ্ণদাসের প্রভুকে অভিষেক ও প্রভুর সুখ. রারী এক বিপ্র দেহ নিত্যানন্দ দাস মহাভাগ্যবান দেহ নাম কৃষ্ণদাস.
A Brahmana named Krishnadas, who was a resident of Radha Desh and a servant of Lord Nityananda's, was a very fortunate person. Radha Desh, okay. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 16.52.
ঘট ভরি প্রভুর দেহ অভিষেক কইল তাঁর অভিষেকে প্রভু মহাতৃপ্ত হইল.
It was Krishnadas who filled a great water pot and poured it over the Lord while he was taking his bath. The Lord was greatly satisfied by this.
Lord Chaitanya was bathed by the fortunate Krishna Das,
So Lord Chaitanya was bathed by the fortunate Krishnadas.
and Lord Chaitanya accepted this seva.
And Lord Chaitanya accepted this seva. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 16.53.
সকলের বলগণ্ডী ভোগের প্রসাদ সম্মান বলগণ্ডী ভোগের বহু প্রসাদ আইল সবার সঙ্গে মহাপ্রভু প্রসাদ খাইল.
The remnants of food offered to the Lord at Balagandi then arrived in great quantity, and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and all his devotees ate it.
It said Lord Krishna would take his lunch
Just as
with
Lord,
his cowherd friends.
just as Lord Krishna would take his lunch with his cowherd friends,
Lord Chaitanya was taking the Jagannath Prasad with all his devotees.
Lord Chaitanya was taking Jagannath's prasad with all his devotees.
And this pastime is amazing exchange.
And this pastime is an amazing exchange. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela 16.54.
সকলের হেরা পঞ্চমী যাত্রা দর্শন। পূর্ববৎ রথযাত্রা কইল দর্শন, হেরা পঞ্চমী যাত্রা দেখে লইয়া ভক্তগণ।
As in the previous year, the Lord with all the devotees saw the Ratha Yatra festival and the Hera Panchami festival as well. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela 16.55.
ঝড় বৃষ্টি মধ্যে প্রভুর একাকী অদ্বৈত গৃহে ভিক্ষা গ্রহণ। আচার্য গোসাই প্রভুর কইল নিমন্ত্রণ, তার মধ্যে কইল জৈসে ঝড় বরিশন।
Advaita Acharya then extended an invitation to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and there was a great rainstorm connected with that incident.
In the previous year, Advaita Gosai wanted to see Lord Chaitanya alone.
In the previous year, Advaita Gosai wanted to be with Lord Chaitanya alone.
But normally, Lord Chaitanya would come with 8 or 9 sannyasis.
Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would come with 8 or 9 sannyasis.
But there was rainstorm, and as a result, the sannyasis did not come.
But there was a rainstorm, and as a result, the sannyasis did not come.
So, in a similar way, there was rain, so that no other sannyasis could visit the house of Advaita Gosai.
In a similar way, there was rain, and no other sannyasis would visit the house of Advaita Gosai.
And Lord Chaitanya went to Advaita's house alone.
And Lord Chaitanya went to Advaita's house alone. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela 16.56.
চৈতন্য ভাগবতে উহা বর্ণিত, বিস্তারী বর্ণিয়াছেন দাস বৃন্দাবন। শ্রীবাস প্রভুরে তবে কইল নিমন্ত্রণ।
All these episodes have been elaborately described by Srila Vrindavan Das Thakur. Then one day, Srivas Thakur extended an invitation to the Lord.
So you see, since all the wives of the great associates
So we see, since all the wives of the great associates
had come also, Malini had a chance to cook for Lord Chaitanya.
so Malini had a chance to cook for Lord Chaitanya. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela 16.57.
মালিনী দেবীর প্রভু সেবা, প্রভুর প্রিয় ব্যঞ্জন সব রান্ধেন মালিনী। ভক্তে দাসী অভিমান স্নেহেতে জননী।
The Lord's favorite vegetables were cooked by Malini Devi, the wife of Srivas Thakura. She devotedly considered herself a maid servant of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But in affection, she was just like a mother. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela 16.58.
চন্দ্রশেখরের প্রভু সেবা, আচার্য রত্ন আদি যথ মুখ্য ভক্তগণ। মধ্যে মধ্যে প্রভুরে করেন নিমন্ত্রণ।
All the chief devotees headed by Chandrasekhara, Acharya Ratna, used to extend invitations to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu periodically. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela 16.59.
চাতুর্মাস অন্তে নিতাই সহ গোপনে যুক্তি। চাতুর্মাস অন্তে পুনঃ নিত্যানন্দে লইয়া, কিবা যুক্তি করে নিত্য নিবৃত্তে বসিয়া।
At the end of the 4-month Chaturmasya period, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again consulted with Nityananda Prabhu daily in a solitary place. No one could understand what their consultation was about. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela 16.60.
অদ্বৈতের রহস্যময়ী তর্জা পঠন। আচার্য গোসাই প্রভুকে কহে ঠারে 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 ঠোরে, আচার্য তর্জা পরে কেহ বুঝিতে না পারে।
Then Srila Advaita Acharya said something to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu through gestures and read some poetic passages which no one understood. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela 16.6.
প্রভু তর্জার বক্তব্য স্বীকার করায় অদ্বৈতের আনন্দ। তার মুখ দেখিয়া সে সচিরনন্দন, অঙ্গীকার জানিয়া আচার্য করেন নর্তন।
Seeing the face of Advaita Acharya, Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu smiled. Understanding that the Lord had accepted the proposal, Advaita Acharya started to dance. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela 16.62.
গৌর ও অদ্বৈতের পরস্পর সংলাপ আদি অন্যের অবুদ্ধ। প্রভুর অদ্বৈতকে বিদায় দান। কিবা প্রার্থনা কিবা আজ্ঞা কেহ না বুঝিল, আলিঙ্গন করি প্রভু তারে বিদায় দিল।
No one knew what Advaita Acharya requested or what the Lord ordered. After embracing the Acharya, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu bade him farewell. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela 16.63.
নিতাইকে প্রতি বর্ষে পুরীতে না আসিয়া গৌরে নাম প্রেম প্রচারার্থ আদেশ। নিত্যানন্দে কহে প্রভু শোনহ শ্রীপাদ, এই আমি মাগি তুমি করহ প্রসাদ।
Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then told Nityananda Prabhu, "Please hear me, O holy man. I now request something of you. Kindly grant my request." Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela 16.64.
প্রতিবর্ষ নীলাচলে তুমি না আসিবা, গৌরের হি মোর ইচ্ছা সফল করিবা।
Do not come to Jagannath Puri every year, but stay in Bengal and fulfill my desire. Then purport. The mission of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is to spread the only medicine effective in this fallen age of Kali, the chanting of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Following the orders of his mother, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was residing at Jagannath Puri and the devotees were coming to see him. However, the Lord felt that this message must be spread very elaborately in Bengal, and in his absence there was not a second person capable of doing it. Consequently, the Lord requested Nityananda Prabhu to stay there and broadcast the message of Krishna consciousness. The Lord also entrusted a similar preaching responsibility to Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami. Nityananda Prabhu was requested not to come every year to Jagannath Puri, although seeing Lord Jagannath greatly benefits everyone. Does this mean that the Lord was refusing Nityananda Prabhu a fortunate opportunity? No. One who is a faithful servant of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu must execute his order, even if one has to sacrifice going to Jagannath Puri to see Lord Jagannath there. In other words, it is a greater fortune to carry out Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's order than to satisfy one's senses by seeing Lord Jagannath. Preaching Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's cult throughout the world is more important than staying in Vrindavan or Jagannath Puri for one's own personal satisfaction. Spreading Krishna consciousness is Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission. Therefore, his sincere devotees must carry out his desire. Prithivite yate nagaradi gram sarvatra prachar hoi vimaranam. The devotees of Lord Chaitanya must preach Krishna consciousness in every village and town in the world. That will satisfy the Lord. It is not that one should act whimsically for his own personal satisfaction. This order comes down through the parampara system, and the spiritual master presents these orders to the disciple so that he can spread the message of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. It is the duty of every disciple to carry out the order of the bona fide spiritual master and spread Lord Chaitanya's message all over the world.
In divine grace of Lord John Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada
So His Divine Grace, Abhaycharan Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada
have requested that the leaders of the Krishna conscious movement spread the Harinam Sankirtan all over the world.
had requested the leaders of the Krishna consciousness movement to spread the Harinam Sankirtan all over the world.
Of course, he also said they should come and meet at the Gaur Purnima festival.
Of course, he had said to come and meet at the Gaur Purnima festival.
Now it's not so difficult with the modern airplane service.
Now it's not so difficult with the modern airplane service.
It take the devotees about 5 months, 6 months of the year to Jagannath Puri, spend 4 months there and walk back.
It would take 5 to 6 months for the devotees to travel to Jagannath Puri and spend 4 months there and walk back.
Now, the members of the Governing Body Commission come to Mayapur and spend some weeks together and observe this Gaur Purnima festival.
Now the members of the Governing Body Commission come and spend few weeks in Mayapur and observe this festival.
And that way, devotees from all over the world
And in that way, devotees from all over the world,
they are able to associate with each other
they are able to associate with each other
and see that we're one family
and see them as one family
of Krishna consciousness,
of Krishna consciousness,
united throughout the whole world.
united throughout the whole world.
And after getting the blessing of Lord Chaitanya, they distributed this Sankirtan movement all over the world.
And after getting the blessing of Lord Chaitanya, they distribute this message all over the world.
That is the principle that was given by Lord Chaitanya to Lord Nityananda.
That was the principle that was given by Lord Chaitanya to Lord Nityananda.
So Srila Prabhupada had given us specific instructions
So Srila Prabhupada had given us similar instructions
for spreading the Sankirtan movement around the world.
to spread the Sankirtan movement throughout the world. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela 16.65.
নিতাইর দ্বারে প্রভুর দুষ্কর কর্ম সম্পাদন তাহা সিদ্ধি করি হেন অন্যে না দেখিয়ে আমার দুষ্কর কর্ম তোমা হইতে হয়
Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu continued, "You can perform a task that even I cannot do. But for you, I cannot find anyone in Gauda Desh who can fulfill my mission there." Chaitanya Charitamrita, purport. Lord Chaitanya's mission is to deliver the fallen souls of this age. In this age of Kali, practically 70% of the population is fallen. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu certainly delivered many fallen souls, but his disciples mainly came from the upper classes. For example, he delivered Srila Rupa Goswami, Sanatan Goswami, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, and many others who were socially elevated but fallen from the spiritual point of view. Srila Rupa and Sanatan Goswamis were situated in government service, and Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya was the topmost scholar of India. Similarly, Prakashananda Saraswati was a leader of many thousands of Mayavadi sannyasis. It was Srila Nityananda Prabhu, however, who delivered persons like Jagai and Madai. Therefore, Lord Chaitanya says, Amara Dushkar Karma Tuma Haite Hai. Jagai and Matai were delivered solely by Nityanand Prabhu's mercy. When they injured Nityanand Prabhu, Lord Chaitanya became angry and decided to kill them with his Sudarshan Chakra. But Nityanand Prabhu saved them from the Lord's wrath and delivered them. In the incarnation of Gaur Nitai, the Lord is not supposed to kill demons, but is supposed to deliver them by preaching Krishna consciousness. In the case of Jagai and Madai, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was so angry that he would immediately kill them. But Nityananda Prabhu was so kind that he not only saved them from death, but elevated them to the transcendental position. Thus, what was not possible for Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was carried out by Nityananda Prabhu. Similarly, if one is true to Gaur Nitai's service in the disciplic succession, he can even excel Nityananda Prabhu's service. This is the process of disciplic succession. Nityananda Prabhu delivered Jagai and Madai, but a servant of Nityananda Prabhu, by his grace, can deliver many thousands of Jagais and Madais. That is the special benediction of the disciplic succession. One who is situated in the disciplic succession can be understood by the result of his activities. This is always true as far as the activities of the Lord and his devotees are concerned. Therefore, Lord Shiva says, Aradhanam Sarvesham Vishnur Aradhanam Param Tasmat Parataram Devi Tadiyanam Samarchanam. Of all types of worship, worship of Lord Vishnu is the best. And better than the worship of Lord Vishnu is the worship of his devotee, the Vaishnava. Padma Puran. By the grace of Vishnu, a Vaishnava can render better service than Vishnu. That is the special prerogative of a Vaishnava. The Lord actually wants to see his servants work more gloriously than himself. For instance, on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Sri Krishna provoked Arjuna to fight because all the warriors on the battlefield were to die by Krishna's plan. Krishna himself did not want to take credit, rather he wanted Arjuna to take credit. Therefore he asked him to fight and win fame. Therefore, get up, prepare to fight and win glory. Conquer your enemies and enjoy a flourishing kingdom. They are already put to death by my arrangement. And you, O Sabyasachi, can be but an instrument in the fight. Bhagavad Gita 11.33. Thus, the Supreme Personality of Godhead gives credit to a devotee who performs any heavy task perfectly. Hanumanji or Vajrangaji, the servant of Lord Ramachandra, serves as another example. It was Hanumanji who jumped over the sea in one leap and reached the shore of Lanka from the shore of Bharatavarsha. When Lord Ramachandra chose to go there, he paved the way with stones. Although by his will the stones were able to float on the sea. If we simply follow Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's instructions and follow in the footsteps of Sri Nityananda Prabhu, this Krishna consciousness movement can advance, and even more difficult tasks can be performed by the preachers remaining faithful to the service of the Lord.
So here, Srila Prabhupada indicated that
Srila Prabhupada indicated that
by following the instructions of Guru and Gauranga,
by following the instructions of Guru and Gauranga,
one can perform amazing feats.
One can perform amazing feats.
And as Prabhupada went around the world and delivered many fallen souls,
And Prabhupada went around the world and delivered many fallen souls.
he wanted his followers to also do the same.
He wanted his followers to also do the same.
To deliver people to chanting the Hare Krishna Sankirtan.
To deliver the people to chant the Hare Krishna Sankirtan.
In this way, by people being Krishna conscious, the world can become peaceful and
In this way,
glorious.
by the people being Krishna conscious, the world can become peaceful and glorious. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela 16.66.
মহাপ্রভুর ভক্ত প্রভু নিত্যানন্দ। নিত্যানন্দ কহে আমি দেহ তুমি প্রাণ, দেহ প্রাণ ভিন্ন নহে এই তো প্রমাণ।
Nityananda Prabhu replied, O Lord, you are the life and I am the body. There is no difference between the body and life itself. But life is more important than the body. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela 16.67.
অচিন্ত শক্তে কর তুমি তাহার ঘটন, যে করাহ সেই করি নাহিক নিয়ম।
By your inconceivable energy, you can do whatever you like, and whatever you make me do, I do without restriction. Purport. As stated in the beginning of Srimad Bhagavatam, Tene Brahma Hridaya Adi Kavaye. Lord Brahma is the first living creature within this universe, and he is also the creator of this universe. How is this possible? Although he is the first living entity, Lord Brahma is not in the category of Vishnu Tattva. Rather, he is part of the Jiva Tattva. Nonetheless, by the grace of the Lord, who instructed him through the heart, Tene Brahma Hridaya, Lord Brahma could create a huge universe. Those who are actually pure devotees of the Lord are instructed by the Lord through the heart, where the Lord is always situated. Ishvara Sarva Bhutanam Hriddeshe Arjuna Tishtati. If he follows the instructions of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the living entity, even though an insignificant creature, can perform the most difficult tasks by the Lord's grace. Lord Krishna confirms this in the Bhagavad Gita 10.10. To those who are constantly devoted to serving me with love, I give the understanding by which they can come to me. Everything is possible for a pure devotee because he acts under the instructions of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Through his inconceivable energy, a pure devotee can perform tasks that are supposed to be very, very difficult. He can perform tasks not even previously performed by the Lord himself. Therefore, Nityananda Prabhu told Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Ye karaha se kari nahika niyama. I do not know by what regulatory principles I am carrying out this wonderful work, but I know for certain that I will do whatever you desire. Although the Lord wants to give all credit to his devotee, the devotee himself never takes credit, for he acts only under the Lord's direction. Consequently, all credit goes to the Lord. This is the nature of the relationship between the Lord and his devotee. The Lord wants to give all credit to his servant, but the servant does not take any credit, for he knows that everything is carried out by the Lord.
So, Lord Chaitanya distributed Krishna consciousness
So Lord Chaitanya distributed Krishna consciousness
throughout the subcontinent,
throughout the Indian continent, South continent.
but he predicted that he would send his Senapati Bhakta,
But he predicted that he would send his Senapati Bhakta,
who would take the message all over the world.
who take the message all over the world.
So, His Divine Grace, Abhaycharan Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada,
So His Divine Grace Abhaycharan Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada
carried the message throughout the world.
carried the message throughout the world.
He had requested his followers to continue with what he left off.
And he continued requested his followers to continue from where he left off,
And to distribute Krishna consciousness to every town and village of the world.
and to distribute Krishna consciousness to every town and village of the world.
This is not only not possible, but by the mercy of Lord Chaitanya, everything is possible.
This is not possible, but by the mercy of Lord Chaitanya, it has become possible. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 16.68.
নিতাই ও অন্যান্য সকল ভক্তকেই বিদায় দান। তারে বিদায় দিল প্রভু করি আলিঙ্গন, এই মতো বিদায় দিল সব ভক্তগণ।
In this way, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu embraced Nityananda Prabhu and bade him farewell. He then bade farewell to all the other devotees.
Lord Chaitanya, he was very affectionate to all his devotees,
Lord Chaitanya, he was very affectionate to all his devotees.
and he requested all of them. He bid them farewell, and this way he showed his extreme loving affection to everyone.
He requested all of them and he bid them farewell, and by this way he showed his extreme affection for all of them. Thus ends the chapter entitled Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu instructs Nityananda Prabhu to stay in Bengal and fulfill his mission. Under the section, the Lord's attempt to go to Vrindavan,
Do you like our ad-free videos? Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day, and don't forget to like and share our channel.